subcontinent, we have functions before the wedding called haldi and mehendi, where women apply turmeric to the bride, and on mehendi night they apply henna and have a get together, and it's very common amongst Muslims for or from many years. Is this permissible? Generally speaking, the default is that such gatherings and celebrations are permissible unless they go against an Islamic principle or they are imitating the disbelievers and their customs and traditions. So if this practice is being done by the Muslims, all of them in the subcontinent, and they do not involve music, dancing, or free mixing, which is in most cases, if it does not involve anything haram, and it does not involve rituals of the Hindus, this is permissible. So haldi, for example, or haldi, is usually applying turmeric paste, which is mixed with rose water or with milk or with different cultures, depending on what they use, and they put it on the face, the neck, the chest, and the arms of both the boy and the girl. And it's supposed to be detoxifying impact, releases the stress, removes dead cells of the body, and it makes a person glow. This is halal. If this is what it is used for, no music, no free mixing, which is hopefully the case. But if it involves Hindu rituals, thinking that after this process, a bride or a groom must not leave the house except to the wedding for fear of the evil eye, or if they tie a red thread, and this is common, or use forms of amulets to prevent evil eye, and this is also common. This is shirk. This is totally prohibited, and it falls under imitating the disbelievers. If they have this concept of, if the groom would apply some of it to his cousins or siblings who are not married, they will get married soon, as a form of a good luck gesture. This is haram, and it's imitating the Hindus, and so on. Mehendi, or applying henna for decoration, this is only applicable for women. So if it is to beautify the bride only in women's circle, without exposing any awra, without any music, without anything haram, again, this is permissible, inshallah. It all depends on the circumstances, on the niyyah, and on what goes on, and Allah Azza wa Jalla.